Hey, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so excited to bring you today's review on a product that's been catching a lot of attention in the beauty world, the LORAC Lux Diamond Crème Eyeshadow in Bronze Silk. If you're someone who's looking to elevate your eye makeup with a luxurious, shimmering finish, this might just be the product you've been waiting for. Now let's dive into what makes this product stand out. The LORAC Lux Diamond Crème Eyeshadow comes in a sleek powder form with a stunning metallic shimmer finish. The shade Bronze Silk is a beautiful, warm, rich bronze that catches the light in all the right ways. It promises a nourishing formula that not only adds that gorgeous shine, but also hydrates your skin as you wear it. The powder itself has a soft, creamy texture, which feels smooth and blendable on the skin. One of the first things I noticed was how easily it glided onto my eyelids, offering an even, buildable layer of color. It has a unique formula that combines the benefits of a cream shadow with the ease of a powder, which is a bit of a game changer. No more dealing with crease lines or patchy application here. When I tested it out, I applied it with a flat eyeshadow brush and found it to be super pigmented. A little goes a long way. The color payoff was impressive, giving me that bold, metallic shimmer without having to pack on multiple layers. Plus, the shadow didn't fade throughout the day. I even wore it through a long workday and noticed that it held up well without creasing or losing its shine. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the LORAC Lux Diamond Crème Eyeshadow. Starting with the positives, the texture is soft and smooth, making it easy to apply. The shimmer finish is stunning and gives that perfect pop of glamour, making it ideal for both day-to-night looks. Plus, the formula is nourishing, so it doesn't feel drying on the lids, which is always a win for me. On the flip side, I did notice that while it's long-lasting, it can be a bit tricky to blend if you're looking to create a more subtle, gradient effect. The color is so rich and intense that blending it out evenly requires a bit more work. But if you're someone who loves a bold eye look, this won't be a problem for you. Now, is this product worth the price? LORAC is a well-known brand that consistently delivers high-quality formulas, and this eyeshadow is no exception. With its luxurious finish, buildable color, and nourishing formula, I do think it provides good value for money. However, if you're on a budget and looking for a similar effect, there are more affordable options available. But if you're someone who values performance, durability, and that high-end shimmer, this one is a solid investment. As for comparisons, there are a few other shimmer eyeshadows on the market, but what sets the LORAC Lux Diamond Crème Eyeshadow apart is its creamy texture and nourishing formula. While some powder shadows can feel drying or chalky, this one manages to provide all the shimmer without the hassle of dryness. The packaging is sleek and practical, which is great for on-the-go use. And even though it's not marketed as a long-wear formula, I was pleasantly surprised by how well it held up throughout the day. If you're in the market for an eyeshadow that delivers a high shine, metallic look, this one's definitely worth considering. It's perfect for creating standout eye makeup looks, especially for special occasions or when you just want to add a little extra sparkle to your daily routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.